Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yum Yum. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipe with all of you, steamed prawn or Bhapa Chingri. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel Yum Yum and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hope you all liked this video. Do like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel Yum Yum, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.